5-decades-old murder cold case in Northern Virginia finally solved. Fairfax County Police say that they've identified the body of a boy found in Lorton back in 1972, and they believe they know who killed him. DC News Now's Dave Laval has more on how investigators solved the 53-year-old mystery.
Fairfax County Police have identified the remains as those belonging to 4-year-old Carl Bryant, one of the people accused of taking the young child's life, his mother.
The family can have some semblance of closure or resolution.
Detective Melissa Wallace is among those who helped identify the remains of little Carl Bryant.
And to see the extent of that boy's injuries and what he had suffered through, I'm happy to be here today announcing that at least we've identified him.
Fairfax County Police said Monday DNA from Carl's now deceased mother, Vera Bryant, and hair samples from the child led them to his identity. Police found the 4-year-old's naked body in Lorton in Massey Creek under the old Colchester Road back on June 13, 1972. He suffered blunt force trauma. Carl and his infant brother James vanished while their mother and her boyfriend James Hedgepeth drove from Philadelphia to Middlesex County, Virginia to visit his family.
The couple did not have children with them.
Investigators say Vera Bryant never filed a missing children's report when she returned home with Hedgepeth, who died back in the 1980s.
We believe that both boys may have been murdered.
Police accuse both adults in the deaths of the children. Hedgepeth was not their father and spent time in prison for a 1962 murder. He met Vera Bryant after his release.
While we have news to share, it still really touches the Bryant family in particular.
Members of the Bryant family attended the news conference but chose not to speak. They at least have some closure to a decades-old tragedy. Investigators still want to talk to anyone who has any information about this case. In Fair Oaks, Virginia, Dave Laval, DC News Now.